But Julian, maybe we just with you. You guys felt what it was like playing Leinster. They're obviously going to be very disappointed when want to backlash and want to prove themselves. That pressure, what's the key to beating pressure, beating Leinster? Because the one thing that Bordeaux did extremely well is they didn't let them get on top. They didn't let them get that momentum, but they almost dominated them physically for most of that game as well. Is that almost the type of message that you guys are giving to yourself? And is it something, because you guys like to spread the ball, is it something that you guys would focus on, or would you more look at your DNA and trying to beat them on out wide, should I say?
Yeah, without like trying not to give away any tactics or anything, like you rightfully said now, the contact situation is really vital against any team, any rugby game. The team that goes forward when contact takes place, they have a better chance, whether it's attack, defense, set piece. And that's what we see with the Springboks, is it's not the most, uh, well, even with Bordeaux, they didn't come with a lot of fancy lineup plays. They didn't come with fancy stuff. They were doing the small things right, and that will allow you opportunities. And they were just exceptional in taking opportunities. So yeah, can't give away too much tactics, but we know what we want to achieve this weekend, and we believe if we get that right, that'll give us a good chance.